Hello everyone, this is Ash from Creative Mending, and today we get to unbox this KINOKOJUICE Jill. I bought her from their Etsy shop online. She is a 23 centimeter doll, and I'm really excited because I've wanted this doll for a few years now. It took a second for me to nab her, and let's just get down to the fun part. She came relatively quickly as well. She was shipped express. I ordered her on the 25th and she's already here on the 29th, which is awesome. Especially because I was so excited to get her. She is the ivory skin. And it looks like we've got a few little goodies in here. Look at all these fun little things we have. Get this box out of the way. So here's her packet. Oh, look at the cute little picture that's on here. Little pin. We've got our cards. These are some of the other dolls that you can order from their Etsy shop as well. Looks like we have some information. Move all that to the side. And we've got a cute little thank you note from KINOKOJUICE. And here is our box. I am so excited right now. She's gonna be so cute. I can't wait. And here's this. Oh my goodness. The best part, getting to open them up. And she's in this very cute little wrap. So we get to untie. Ooh, that smell of new resin. Oh, I love that smell. Oh, look how cute she is. Oh my gosh. She's so little and adorable. Oh my goodness. Yep, I'm in love with her. I'm definitely gonna give her a face up. There's her little head cap. Take a look at some of her posing. She's strung up quite well. Oh, that popped right off. Let's see. There we go. And I also thought it would be really fun to show a comparison to the Kikipop that I have, which is their ABS version. Here is my KINOKOJUICE Kikipop. You can see the size is pretty much on point, which is awesome because I was really hoping that I'll be able to give her these super cute clothes, which I plan on doing. As you can see, the glue that's left over from me taking off the wig. And then you can see the difference sort of in their eye shape. The size is pretty much there. Why don't we go ahead and see if we can get this wig on her just for the fun of it. It does seem to fit on her quite well, which means that I'll also get to dress her in these clothes, and that's exciting. It's kind of part of why I kept my Kikipop with, so I'll be able to give her a little bit of a personality right off the get-go. And I am curious to see if she can stand by herself, although I am a little bit scared of posing her by herself. Let's see if she's gonna do that for us. Yep, she does stand by herself, which is awesome. And I think it'll be fun to give her this cute little hat as well. There we go, looking super adorable. So this is going to be a relatively quick review because I already know that I love my Kikipop and I definitely love Jill. So I think in terms of the posability and her resin, it seems quite nice. She does have some seams here on the side that are a little bit more visible than say Mew Doll or Lily Cat, but that is totally fine with me. I think the next thing is going to be definitely giving her a face up. I just love those little lips. They're so adorable. And hopefully, if you were ever considering getting your own KINOKOJUICE doll, you will go ahead and take a look at them online at their Etsy. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you'll like and subscribe to my channel. Please leave me a comment in the comment box below. Let me know if you have your own KINOKOJUICE doll and which one you have. I hope you have a great day. I know that I am going to have a very great day.